Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt just a little slower than before? Like your body wasn't quite responding the way it used to? What if I told you that by the time most people hit 70, they've quietly lost up to 40% of their muscle mass without even realizing it? This silent erosion of strength has a name: sarcopenia. And while it might sound like just another part of growing older, the truth is far more alarming. What's happening inside? Your body is not just a gentle decline, it's a loss of independence inch by inch. According to research from Johns Hopkins University, seniors who suffer from major muscle loss face a 320% higher risk of losing mobility, which can mean dependence on wheelchairs, walkers, or full-time care. But what if much of this was preventable? What if there were missing nutrients, some as simple as vitamins, you could restore to help stop or even reverse this process? Many people assume muscle loss is just a natural part of aging. But emerging science tells a very different story. In fact, one specific vitamin deficiency, one that nearly 78% of older adults have, is often at the root of this rapid decline. And most doctors aren't even checking for it. The National Institute on Aging recently uncovered 6 powerful vitamins and nutrients that can reverse muscle wasting, even in people well into their 70s and 80s. One supplement even helped 87% of participants regain strength in just 14 days after other treatments had failed. So let's walk through this powerful list together because your independence is worth protecting. Number 6, coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Let me introduce you to Margaret. At 72, she was active, loved gardening, and walked daily, but began feeling constant fatigue in her legs. Her doctor said it was just aging. But when she learned about CoQ10, everything changed. CoQ10 is found inside the mitochondria, your cell's power plants. It's vital for energy, especially in muscle cells. As we age, CoQ10 levels can drop by 65%, drastically reducing your muscle's ability to recover and function. Worse still, common cholesterol-lowering drugs like statins deplete CoQ10 even more. Studies show that over 60% of seniors on statins experience muscle weakness tied directly to this depletion. Doctors recommend 100 to 200 mg daily of CoQ10, though 200 to 300 mg may be needed for those on statins. While organ meats and fatty fish contain it, most diets fall short. That's where supplements like Doctor's Best High Absorption, CoQ10 or Connell, Ultra CoQ10 shine. These options use advanced delivery systems for better absorption, some up to 300%, more effective than traditional forms. Number 5, vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as your muscle's ignition switch. Without it, they simply can't fire properly. Many seniors associate fatigue and poor balance with aging, but the truth may lie in a vitamin D deficiency. And over 40% of older adults lack enough, especially those who are homebound or live in low sunlight areas. Vitamin D receptors are embedded in your muscle tissue. When inactive, your muscles lose strength and coordination. One study even showed that vitamin D supplements reduced falls by 20%, simply by improving muscle control. For seniors, 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily is ideal. Foods like salmon, eggs, and fortified milk can help, but supplements are often essential. Nature-made D3, 2,000 IU, is highly effective and carries verified purity. If you prefer drops, Nordic Naturals D3 Liquid uses olive oil to enhance absorption. Perfect for those with digestive concerns. Number 4, vitamin B12. Now picture Carl, 75 years old, sharp-minded but constantly tripping. His doctor chalked it up to age until a blood test revealed he was severely deficient in B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve and muscle communication. Without it, signals between your brain and muscles break down, leading to weakness, balance problems, and even tremors. Up to 30% of adults over 50 have trouble absorbing B12 due to digestive changes, especially if they take medications like metformin or antacids. B12 also ensures your muscles get oxygen by supporting red blood cell production. When levels drop, fatigue kicks in. The daily recommendation is 2.4 mcg, but many need more. Methylcobalamin is the most absorbable form, available in lozenges like Jarrow Formula's methyl, B12 or Garden of Life Raw. B12, which includes probiotics and enzymes for better absorption. These bypass the gut entirely. delivering B12 directly to your bloodstream. Number 3. Vitamin C. If you think vitamin C is just for colds, think again. It's actually essential for muscle structure, recovery, and energy. Vitamin C helps your body create collagen, which builds the connective tissue supporting your muscles. It also defends against oxidative stress, which slowly erodes your muscle tissue as you age. In one study, older adults with higher vitamin C levels had stronger grip strength and better overall mobility. It also boosts carnitine production, which helps your body turn fat into usable energy. The recommended daily intake is 75 to 90 millihours, but experts suggest 200 to 400 millihours for seniors. Colorful foods like citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and tomatoes are fantastic sources. If you supplement pure encapsulations vitamin C with flavonoids or live on, Lab's liposomal C offers up to 98%, higher absorption than traditional pills, ideal for seniors with slower digestion. Number 2. Magnesium. Magnesium often goes unnoticed, yet it affects nearly every muscle function, from contraction to relaxation to energy production. Seniors often experience cramps, spasms, and fatigue without knowing that magnesium is the missing link. It helps muscles relax after contraction and produces ATP, your muscle's primary fuel. Deficiency is widespread. Over 60% of seniors don't get enough, and many common medications lower levels even more. For women, 320 milligrams daily is ideal. For men, 420 mg, leafy greens, seeds, and beans are great, but most seniors benefit from supplements. Magnesium glycinate is gentle on the stomach and absorbs up to 4 times better than cheaper forms like magnesium oxide. And finally, number 1, creatine. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders, it's a game changer for seniors. It helps replenish ATP quickly, giving your muscles the burst of energy they need for climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or catching yourself from a fall. More importantly, creatine reactivates satellite cells, which help rebuild muscle, something that naturally declines after 60. One 12-week study found that seniors who took creatine with light exercise gained 14% more strength and 2.2 pounds of lean muscle, even after failing with physical therapy. You only need 3 to 5 grams daily, no loading phase required. While red meat and fish contain creatine, the quantities aren't enough to be therapeutic. Optimum Nutrition micronized creatine is highly recommended, offering superior absorption even for those with digestive slowdowns. And get this, recent studies suggest creatine may also boost brain health, making it one of the few supplements with dual benefits for both mind and body. Each of these 6 nutrients plays a unique role, but together, they form a synergistic defense against age-related muscle decline. Think of them as your personal team, working behind the scenes to preserve your strength, mobility, and independence. While supplements can bridge gaps, whole foods should always be your foundation. Colorful vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, nuts, and seeds can support your body in ways no pill ever could. Remember, fighting muscle loss isn't just about looking fit. It's about staying strong enough to live life on your own terms, to carry your groceries, walk your dog, and enjoy time with your family without needing help. So if you suspect gaps in your diet or you're noticing muscle fatigue or weakness, don't wait. Talk to your doctor, get tested, and consider a plan that includes the right nutrients to support your future strength and well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.